how we can use our media section to optimize the images and videos we have uploaded inside our WordPress website. So let's navigate to the media section. Inside dashboard you will find the media section just after blog, portfolio, and then the media, or after blog also sometime media section is visible. Inside media library you will find all the images and videos. When you open any image, few different things you get to see, and they are: on the left hand side you will find the image, and right hand side you will find the WordPress URL of that particular image. This URL will be optimized in Google image search. Understanding that, you need to provide a title name, a caption, and a alt text. Alt text is compulsory for every image. If you don't provide that, then your website's optimization will get a hit. You can also monitor which user is uploading the image and which post is connected to that particular image. Here you can find the edit image option to edit the size of the image. If you need, you can do it, or you can even rotate the image. In this way you can edit different features, including the image optimization option and image size. If you have a video uploaded in your website, let's see what you can see. So we can upload a video. How we can upload any new media file inside our media section? Other than uploading them through the blog post or pages, we can directly go to the media, add new media, and then click on add new media file. Select the file and then add any file. Let's add any. Yes, let's add that. And add a image. Once the image and the video files are added, you can move on to the media section, library. Here you can find the image, and the video. Here you can see the video is playing from your own website. So in this way you can upload the files, and to optimize, provide title, provide the caption, and then save the file. To save the file, you just need to click on the next and it will automatically save. Once you go back, you will see all the file details that you have provided are saved. For the image also you will get the same option. Just update all the sections. You must always update the alt text, as that is the only option which guides Google image search or any other image search to identify your image by some name. We will discuss the alt text in our SEO section and see how important alt text is for an image. Now your image and video are uploaded and optimized.